Maid's room renovation. 8 square meters in Paris. To sleep, to wash, to cook, to eat, to work, to store. How to fit so many different functions in a small volume. The Swiss Army knife concept. The Swiss Army knife appears to be the most efficient functional transcription in comparison to the considered program. Compact, functional, discrete, and above all multifunctional. This efficiency of usages can be translated into different modules within the same space. To sleep. To wash. To eat, to cook. To work. To store.